Today we're learning another special letter. It comes right after B. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's the letter C.
C is for cat, cuddly and sweet. C is for car, driving down the street. C says car, like in crunchy corn. C says C when the letter is worn. Let's say it together, C.
Can you draw it in the air with your finger? A big curve, like you're making a smile. That's how we write a capital C!
C is for cake, yummy and round. C is for cow, making loose sounds. C is cool, let's cheer today. Clap for C, hip, hip, hooray!
Great job, friends. Now we know the letter C. We're moving forward on our ABC journey. Don't forget to subscribe.